Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing the Palmetto floor plan by Lennars Homes. This is part of the Manor line of homes that you will find at many Lennars Southwest Florida Communities. This home here is a 3-bedroom plus den, over 2,400 square foot home. Comes with a 3-car garage. Let's go inside and take a look and see if the Palmetto is the right floor plan for you. You've got a nice dual door entry here, and as we walk inside, you're greeted with a nice entry space here. And directly to the right is going to be your guest bathroom. Here shown with the single sink, commode, and combination tub and shower. And just off of that is your first guest bedroom here. Plenty of light coming in with the big windows up front. And you've got the bifold closet doors there. Now walking back towards the entryway, we have the den right here up front, and it is a true den. There is no closet in this den. Showing a really nice configuration here as an additional seating area. And across from the den area, you have access to 3-car garage and your laundry directly through here. This is Lennar's sales model. So typically you're going to see your washer and dryer here, and where they have their offices now, this is actually your garage on this side. Now coming back into the home here, the guest bedroom here does have an ensuite bathroom. We're going to take a look here, but because it's a sales office, the configuration is going to be a little bit different. It has to be handicap accessible. So this is how you see it now. However, right here is what your guest suite and bath would look like with the standalone shower, commode, and sink. Now, this home opens up into an awesome great room space. You've got a huge kitchen, full appliance package that comes with Lennars Homes. Huge eat-in kitchen, dining type area right here with a 6-top table. And this all overlooks your great room here. And just off the great room towards the back is the master. Huge master with king-size suite shown here. Lots of windows to allow in natural light. And you also have the sliding glass door leading to your pool area. Then you have your master bathroom here. As we walk in, you've got the tub, glass enclosed shower, and sink. You've got huge walk-in style closets on either side. And then you've got the secondary sink as well, and private commode room. Now coming back towards the great room, we're going to take a look at the living space outside. Now directly outside here, you have a nice space under truss, nice little covered lanai here. Plenty big for a 6-top table like you see. And this overlooks your pool area, and you can see there's tons of room out here for enjoying the Florida lifestyle. Tables, chairs, relaxation. It's all part of what Lennar offers at their communities. All right guys, so this is the Palmetto floor plan. If you like the Palmetto floor plan, you can contact us at any of the information below. We'll be happy to help you locate the right community and the right floor plan for you. Guys, this is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.